Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making this awesome Hogwarts canvas. The supplies you'll be needing is paint, any kind of acrylic paint, vinyl, cut out of the Hogwarts house, which is on Etsy and I'll link it below. Any kind of gold or whatever colors you want to use, but I used gold paint marker and a canvas any size. I use 12 by 12. If you don't have a Cricut, you can always freehand the castle. I haven't tried it yet, but you can always get just a printout of paper of a stencil of the Hogwarts Castle and stencil it and color it in black. But since I do have a Cricut, I did use it. I love my Cricut. Anyways, let's get started.
First thing I did was print out this Hogwarts Castle on my Cricut in black vinyl. And then I did all the weeding. So I'm just going to use the top of the castle. I won't even use the bottom part of the Hogwarts. It's just too big. Then I used these paints. I used like a metallic, some blue, some purples, and some black. And really, there is no like straight away to do this. You just kind of mess around, blend the colors. I started with black, and then I did some dark blue, and then purples, and then I ended with a metallic blue and dark blue, so that, you know, it looks like kind of like a deep sunset. Really, the painting was the best part. It was so much fun. I need to try a freehand, maybe try out the Hogwarts house freehand, but I have the Cricut and it's a lifesaver, so that's what we used. Also, once this was finished painting and dried, I did do the edges in black. This isn't as hard as it looks. The adhesive isn't super adhesive, so I can move it easily. Now, I did try my hand in freehanding the Hogwarts is My Home. I really liked it. I used a thin gold marker from Cricut and a paint marker, a thicker gold paint marker from Amazon, and I will link those down below as well. I really enjoyed doing this DIY Harry Potter craft. I hope you liked it too, and I really hope you try painting freehand if you haven't already. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I hope you subscribe, like, and comment down below. Thanks.